Wicked Modder here with a quick send-in proof video for Michael G. Michael, this is the console that you sent in. It is a Trinity motherboard. So we RGH'd it using the normal Ace V3 with CR4 speed-up technique. We did the blue LEDs, and we've preloaded all the normal software that we generally do there. As you can see, we've got a nice speedy boot time here. And then the console has Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash all copied onto its hard drive. By default here, what you're going to see is that the console is starting up directly into Freestyle Dash. So be sure to check out the additional links that come in your final confirmation video. There's one quick video by me that shows you kind of how to navigate around, and then I link you also to the XX Modded Warfare tutorial series, because he basically covers anything you could possibly want to know how to do with an RGH. So it's still early morning. We actually got this console done last night. I just didn't have time to do the proof video. So we'll get this thing packed up, and it will head your way today, priority mail. So I think you should probably have it like Friday. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for your business.